Asking the price.
Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
how much is this shirt?
This shirt is $10.
Oh, that's not too expensive. Is it on sale?
Yes, it is on sale today. The original price was $15.
That's good. I like the color. Do you have it in a medium size?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like me to try it on?
Yes, you can try it on. The fitting room is over there.
Great, I'll try it now. Excuse me, I tried the shirt. It fits well.
That's great. It looks good on you.
Thank you. I think I'll take it.
Wonderful. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by cash.
All right, that will be $10.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your receipt and your bag.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Asking for a discount.
Hello? How can I help you today?
I like this bag. It looks really nice.
Yes, it's very popular. Many customers like this design.
I can see why. The quality looks good too.
Yes, it's made of strong material and it lasts a long time.
That's great. Is there any discount on it?
Yes, there's a small discount available right now.
Oh, that's good. How much is it after the discount?
It comes to $15 after the discount.
That sounds reasonable.
Yes, it's a good deal for this quality.
Can you give me a little more discount?
I'm sorry, that's the best price we can offer at the moment.
All right, no problem. I still like it.
Would you like to buy it?
Yes, I will take it.
Great choice. I'll pack it for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Finding the right size. Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
do you have this in a bigger size?
Sure. What size are you looking for?
I think I need a medium size.
All right, let me check for you.
Okay, thank you.
Just a moment, please. Yes, we do have it in medium. Here you go.
Great, thank you. Can I try it on?
Of course you can. The fitting room is over there.
Thank you. I'll try it now.
Take your time.
It fits well, but do you have another color?
Yes, we also have it in black and blue.
Can I see the blue one?
Sure, here it is.
I like this color. I'll take this one.
Great choice. Would you like me to pack it for you?
Yes, please.
All right, I'll take it to the counter for billing. Returning an item.
Hello.
Hi, how can I help you today?
I want to return this item.
Sure. May I know what the problem is?
It is too small for me. It doesn't fit properly.
I see. Did you try a different size?
No, I didn't. I decided to return it instead.
That's all right. Do you have the bill or receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check. Okay, everything looks fine.
Good.
Would you like a refund or an exchange?
I would like a refund, please.
No problem. The refund will be processed to your original payment method.
That's fine. How long will it take?
It usually takes 3 to 5 working days.
Okay, that works for me.
Please fill out this return form.
Sure, I'll do that.
Thank you. Your return has been completed.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day. Paying at the counter.
Hello?
Hi, are you ready to pay?
Yes, I am.
Great. Let me scan your items.
Okay.
The total is $20.
All right. Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is accepted.
Perfect. Here you go.
Thank you. Please tap or insert your card.
Done.
Payment successful. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can I get a bag, please?
Sure. Would you like a paper bag or a plastic bag?
A paper bag, please.
All right, here you are.
Thanks.
No problem.
Have a nice day.
You too. Visit again.